It's great for us to be able to come out to our clients' landscapes throughout the entire season. The reason for this is that we really get a sense of the invasive plant problems that may be present at all different times of the year. At this particular property, we're doing a spring teardown of the invasives in the landscape. This includes glossy buckthorn, Asiatic bittersweet, and Chinese wisteria, amongst others. The reason we're performing this teardown now is that we're getting ahead of any future summer and fall fruit set so that we're removing the potential vectors for their future spread. The springtime is typically not the ideal time to treat most woody plants with herbicide. The reason for that is the plants are taking energy up from their roots to produce new leaves for the season, whereas the herbicide is trying to go down to the roots where it works at that root level. And this is why typically we do not apply herbicides to woody plants during that March to May timeframe. So what we're doing here is, by removing the mature parts of these species and hauling them away, we're getting them before they have any fruit set, so we're not worrying about infecting the landscape waste stream with that. But we're also making it much easier for us when we come back during the summer and actually apply herbicides, where all we have to do is simply recut certain sections of the plant and apply that herbicide to the stump. And this is why we really like offering a full season maintenance package to our clients, so that we're able to be here at all different touch points during the season and really get a handle and understanding the nuance of how to best manage your landscape.